My dear students, what is the fundamental or basic law of motion? So, we have always to keep in mind Newton's second law of motion is the basic or fundamental law of motion, because second law of motion only tells us about force, and the rate of change of momentum is equals to the external force applied on an object. The object in which there is the rate of change of momentum is seen, is calculated, and the direction of this applied force is in the rate of change of direction. That means the external force which is applied is in the same direction in which the rate of change of momentum takes place. So this is only the Newton's second law of motion, and this Newton's second law of motion is only the basic and fundamental law of motion which defines the force. And so we can say that rate of change of momentum in a body is equals to the external force applied on the object, and this is only the fundamental law of motion. Thank you. If you like, please share and subscribe.